Most farmers realize an animal is sick when it finally stops eating. By then, the problem has already grown inside. But expert farmers spot that problem 24 to 48 hours earlier, with no lab tests, no fancy kit. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple ways to spot illness early: behavior, eating, temperature, dung, and breathing. Catch one early and you save money, time, and the animal's life. The first and most honest signal is behavior. Sick animals don't shout. They change tiny things you can see if you watch. Watch for standing away from the herd. If one animal moves apart and stays, that's your first red flag. Look at the head, a slight tilt, head hanging lower than normal, or the animal walking slower. These are not lazy, they are early warnings. Check the ears and tail. Healthy animals flick their ears and swish their tail. When those movements slow or stop, the animal is conserving energy because something's wrong. Don't ignore small differences. One animal doing something slightly off is often the start of a problem. Next, eating and drinking. This is where most farmers should be detectives. If an animal picks at feed but doesn't chew properly, or it sniffs then walks away, note it. A hungry animal eats with focus. A sick animal picks and hesitates. Chewing speed matters. If chewing gets slow or uneven, digestion may be affected. Licking lips excessively or dropping feed from the mouth are subtle but clear signals. Water is even more honest. Drinking less or drinking in short, weak sips is a major early sign. Don't wait for total refusal. Track how often an animal drinks compared to the herd average. You don't need a thermometer to feel temperature changes. You need to know what normal feels like. Use your hand. Cold ears with a warm body can mean fever starting. Hot legs often point to infection in limbs or the udder. A warm jaw or muzzle may signal internal inflammation. A dry, warm muzzle can mean dehydration. Do quick touch checks daily. Ears, legs, jaw. If one spot feels noticeably warmer or colder than usual, place that animal on your watch list. This is low-tech, fast, and often more reliable than waiting for fever to show on a thermometer. Now the part farmers really care about: dung and urine. It's gross, but it's honest medicine. Healthy dung is formed and dark. Watery or very loose dung can mean a gut infection or parasites. Very dry, hard dung can mean dehydration. Look for color changes. Pale, bloody, or unusually dark is bad news. Smell matters too. A sudden, strong, foul smell is not just farm smell. It can signal severe infection. Urine that is cloudy, bloody, or has strange particles is a warning. Also watch frequency. Animals that suddenly pee much less or much more may have kidney or urinary issues. If you see unusual dung or urine, isolate that animal and check the other signs right away. Finally, breathing and sounds. Animals try to hide pain, but breathing betrays them. Watch resting breathing rate. If an animal breathes faster than normal while standing calmly, it's stressed. Listen for wheezing, rattles, or whistle-like sounds on exhale. Nasal discharge or open-mouth breathing is a clear emergency. Even small clicking or gurgling sounds deserve attention. Use a quiet moment to listen. Sometimes the sound appears only when the animal is relaxed. Sound plus behavior plus eating pattern together form a clear picture. Don't treat any one sign alone. If you want part 2, how to treat these early signs on the farm with safe, low-cost options, write next part in the comments. Catch problems early. Save animals. Save money. That's smart farming.